Hello people, welcome back. Watch this video on how I make this starch fufu swallow. I added some starch, water. I'll give it a good mix until it is properly mixed. So now I'll add in some drops of oil. I will add to my gas cooker and I'm just going to stir and stir until it comes together. I also have other videos that I have made starch swallow before, so you can check it out. I'll also leave it on the description box below. All my returning subscribers, thank you for returning. I really appreciate your love and support. Keep supporting, keep subscribing, keep coming back and back and back again and again. May the good Lord bless you. If you are new to the channel, please follow us, turn on the post so that anytime we upload, you will get the notification first. Follow for more amazing videos. Feel free to check my channel out other videos that you might find helpful. So as you can see, it has come together, so I'm just going to give it a very good stir and add more flour so that it doesn't look lumpy. So I left it on the gas cooker for about 3 minutes on a low heat. So now I'm going to mix it properly and take it out of the gas cooker. So I add to my sack. I just wrap it to this desired shape that you are seeing here. So after that, I added my soup, which is groundnut soup. Free to use any soup that you are comfortable with. Look at the groundnut soup, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.